Hi, you guys. So we're just going to briefly go over the agenda and what's expected of you for this week. And then I will let you get on your way, and that way you can start working on all the things that you need to do. So first things first, make sure that you complete your 2.3 video notes. That needs to be done before coming to class, either on Monday or Tuesday, whenever I have you guys. They have to be done beforehand. It's even highlighted over here. And so make sure that those are all done. Then you will go to Big Ideas and you will complete 2.3. And there's a place for you to post your picture of your showing work. Make sure you show your work for all of them. And then you will notice a 2.4 and 2.5 show up on Big Ideas, but that's going to be locked until you come to class. So similar to last class, you'll have homework time to work on 2.4 and 2.5. It's going to be one assignment, and they're going to be combined together. And we're going to learn 2.4 and 2.5 in class. And so make sure that you get those other two things done. That way you know how to do, sorry, it's my dog. That way you know how to do 2.4 and 2.5 in class. So you'll have 3 things for homework. You're going to have the video notes for 2.3. Make sure those are done. You'll have 2.3 Big Ideas homework. And then after you come to my class, you will have 2.4 and 2.5. However, you should have time to complete that in class, just like we did last time. My Zoom links are listed here if you need me, 10:45 to 11:30 on Wednesdays. And then you just click on the link Thursdays or Fridays from 10:30 to 11. So here's where you will find the video notes. Here's where you will post your showing work form. And then once we meet and we go over 2.4 and 2.5, you will post your 2.4 and 2.5 homework showing work form here. If you are absent this week from class, I need you to email me and let me know, because I will send you the video notes for 2.4 and 2.5. I've already made those just in case. And so if you're gone, I will send you the video notes. That way you do not fall behind in class. If you've made it this far and you'd like to earn some Links bucks, please email me the answer to this question. So if you had to pick one song to play every time you walked into a room, what song would it be and why? It does not need to be long, but I'm curious. What song would you pick? So email me the answer to that question and I will give you some Links bucks. All right, I'll let you get started on all of your work, and email me or visit those Zooms if you have any questions.